What should we call ourselves? A boy asked me. I said, let every man answer his own name. For this work, this act of mine is just a pathway to self discovery and belief. For I desire not to be idolized or worshipped in this life or the next. Okay, so I would want you to, it's not this the stuff I sent to you, right? You're going to play with your wrist. You're going to check it. Okay, so you can like fold your hands, then hold the wrist, but I want your logo to show. Yeah. So you can, not really. Try to bring it down a bit. Like, okay, sure. Okay, so what if you hold the wings this way? Or you hold it and put your hands on your waist? Let's see, just, I want you to, our time is going to Abigail. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, ready? Aha. Yes. Which you're holding this, yes. Let it be as natural as possible. Okay, oh yeah, now let's close your eye and do it. Are you ready? This is my chef, I don't understand you. Abigail. I don't. Maintain eye contact with you. You can be able to smile like that.